Hi everyone, today Tuesday and we meet with Georgi in Landers. We want to buy fish. What kind of fish you want to buy?
Salmon.
Salmon. Salmon is better in Landers, cheaper and fresh. Georgi want to buy towel. How much towel? Towel 720, but before it's 1200. Cheaper. And I bought oatmeal. It's for me. Oatmeal it's 210. And we want to buy salmon. Buy one get one. But look, salmon is already unfreezed. This is better. This is better. This price. But this one is 1.7. But looks not good. And this one also not good. You see, it look like already unfreezed before.
Yes.
So it's 2 kilograms. He want to check how many kilograms real, how many kilograms. Okay, you can check. Georgi want test control. he want to check it's real 2 kilograms or not. Different, yeah. Georgi speaking Russian language. It's better.
1910 и 1000...
So this is 2.
1904. Вот эти два.
Okay.
А это...
Okay. Okay, return. So this is better. This is almost 2 kilograms, but another not the same.
I tell them less than 2 kilo. It's not 2 kilo.
Not 2 kilo.
Yes.
200 grams less. 200 grams less.
Yes.
And Landers prepare to Halloween. Halloween decoration. Oh, it's ice cream festival until November 2. So many costumes for Halloween party. Police, lieutenant. Today, Tuesday, time now 1:15 a.m. or p.m. Not so many people right now. I think evening more people. For Christmas also, decoration. Chicken, how much chicken? 276. Oh, Tesla. New model Tesla. Another Tesla also. My car with damage. Take a look. This one I already fixed little bit because before it's like this. But I will fix more. I know how to fix. I don't want to paint. Now we going to Balibago. Georgi will take his passport for visa extension. Also, I will show to you perimeter road bars. We will walk and show to you. Oh, take a look. This is Peugeot. Georgi Place Hotel Good Day. I will close. Georgi will take passport. I will walk a little bit here. Red doors. Open or not? I will check. Red door still close. Prime City close. American Legion open. No, good place for cats. I like this flower. Now we're going to Perimeter Road to Omega Service. Georgi want to give passport for extension. This is Omega Service office. This is office working only until December. Next year we will transfer to another. Georgi, how much you pay for visa extension and how many months?
2,560. 2 months.
2 months.
Yes.
But you already have ICR card.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Regular service. Yeah. So it's better here, cheaper than in Market Mall.
Yes, cheaper.
It's good. Okay, let's go. Perimeter Road bars. We can show to our subscribers. And also I want to ask you, when you finish your video,
I don't know.
busy, but how your health right now?
Yes, much better.
Already better.
But sometimes when rain, if I go outside, when high humidity, so I feel not good.
High humidity is not good for you.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's okay if you walk a little bit here.
Yeah.
No problem for you. Petron gas station. Margarita Station. Hi. Time now 2:20 p.m. This time not so many people here. Так, алло, Георгий, Sexy Monday. Sexy Monday. But Tuesday close. Grey Fox Bar. Empty, don't have people. Yeah, don't have people here. Not so many people. Empty now, empty.